Okay, so you've watched the previous video about turning the lights off, and they are indeed, the light is off. The light is off, as you see, but we are going to change that. It will not be off for a long time. That's the light there. Okay, so to turn the light on, you find the switch and you see this part below here, dry hands. Make sure you have dry hands. This part below here is used to turn the lights on. Turn on the light with this. Perfect. And I could even turn the second light on. 2 lights. 1 light, 2 lights. And the most important part, you can also turn them off at the same time and on at the same time. I bet you didn't know that. Subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one.